This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Lashchenko. Located diagonally across Coconut Mall, the rarely available second floor 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1 car garage, condo overlooks the preserve to the east. This unit has a split bedroom floor plan, with high ceilings, neutral colors and an east-facing screen lanai that allows plenty of morning light into the living area. Marsh Landing is a cohesive community with a low turnover rate. It is a paradise-like community with an excellent clubhouse, pool, spa, gym and tennis all within a short walk of your front door. Centrally located close to the beaches, RSW International Airport, Florida Gulf Coast University, Hertz Arena and World Headquarters, 3 shopping malls, and plenty of restaurants allow for the best choices to discriminating buyers. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.